Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to display notification on the lock screen on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who wants to quickly view incoming message, emails, and other notification on your lock screen, so don't need to be worried because you can easily activate to show notification on the lock screen so that you can quickly view incoming notification without unlocking your device. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and go to display menu. And then after that, now you can scroll down again, and then here you can go to lock screen menu and scroll down till the bottom, and then now you can click this one, privacy, and you can show all notification content so that you will get new notification and you can quickly view them. Alright, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.